Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how to change your the face of the dialer for your Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. So as you can see, I customized my dial. So go ahead and turn this on. So let's go ahead and then press this. Oops, gotta enter my PIN number. Okay, so that's my notification. Never mind. So as you can see, I customized the chronograph 1, 2, 3, and then it shows Tuesday the 4th, so September the 4th. And if you want, you can customize a different color of the marker and then the second hand by pressing and hold it down. So when you press and hold it down, it will allow you to choose a different dialers of the dial, and then if you want, you could go press customize. And once you get in here, sorry, it's kind of blurry what's going on. And right here, you could toggle by the bezel to change the color. So as you can see the marker it is not yellow anymore. And you can see on the right hand side highlight in blue. That means those are the two colors that you could choose from. So if I press OK, and as you can see, the marker is no longer yellow. If you want to customize again, you hold it, press and hold it down, and then click on customize. And I like the yellow, so I'm going to change back to yellow. And then you can swipe to the left. So this is the dial. Oh shoot. That is the dial right now. And then when you swipe to the left, it shows the color. And then you can turn the bezel to change the red color if you want. And then the blue. So again, I like the yellow one. So I'm gonna leave it at yellow. And then swipe it to the left again. You could customize the chronograph. This is called the chronograph number 1. So that I set it to the month. If you want, you can set it to world clock, music, barometer, steps, floors, heart rate, exercise, calories, and then that's it. Let me go back. So this is the month, and you can also set the day, and then sunrise or sunset, and then the weather, battery level, and then that's it. I'm going to change it back to the month. Okay. And then if you swipe it to the left again, it allows you to modify the second chronograph, which is on the bottom. And it's the same menu function that you can choose from. And then when I swipe it to the left again, this is chronograph number 3. That's my steps. Okay. And if you click it one more time, this is the ticking sound. You could turn it on or off by rotating the bezel. So counterclockwise means off, clockwise means to turn it on, okay? So I'm not sure if you could hear the ticking sound. So I can hear the ticking sound, okay? So that's one of the options for this dial. Let's see, press and hold it down again. Because I guess I'm not wearing on my wrist, it keep on asking me for the pin number. So you press and hold, and then you can scroll to the swipe it to the left. This one is a Frontier. This is what it look like. And again, if you press and hold it down, let's see. If you press and hold it down, you could customize it again. And right here, you could adjust the hand. And this is a change a different pointy hand or hands. The hour hands and then the hours and then the minutes. And those are the only two that you can modify. You swipe it to the left. This is the health summary. Or if you don't want the health, you just have a red on the inner dial. And again, the last one is the ticking sound. Okay. Press and hold. Or you could choose a classic. You got the day and then a date. And then if you press it, hold it down, you could customize to change a different color. So you got the silver. This got a bluish, black, and then rose gold. And then swipe it to the left. Oh, so this one you can modify the day all over again, the stairs, the floor, whatever that you want to set it to. Press OK. So Frontier, and then this is the analog utility. Oops. And then you got the Tomcat. So again, you can change the color. Oh, this is what I have. What am I doing? Earlier, that's the beginning. Let's go check out the Tomcat. You can press and hold it down and click on customize. So this one you can change color, like an orange color, red, yellow, light yellow, green, and then like a turquoise. Then you swipe it, ticking sound again. Or you can use this My Photo Plus, large, and then rings, My Day, fitness centric, peak, and then a dashboard. Or you could go to your Galaxy app to download some more. But some of those you might require purchasing. Okay, let's go and then click on dashboard, and then click on press and hold, customize. So again, over here you could choose a different color, purple, dark purple, so orange, yellow, light yellow, So there are so many colors for you to customize this thing. So it's pretty fun to mess with it. And the battery, you could change anything again, like all those options that I went over. And then this is the date. You can modify world clock or whatever you want again. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. And then these are the steps. You can change it again, floors, heart rate. And keep on my steps. And then weather. Since this is a digital clock, so there's no clicking sound. So I'm just gonna leave it the way it is with my analog utility. Oh no, this is not the original one. Uh-oh, did I lose it? Nope, this is not my original one. Uh-oh, did I see? Let's see. Customize. So yeah, I believe this is what I had before. Yep. Press OK. Yeah, so this is what I had before. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. This is just a tutorial on how to change your different dial on your face of your watch. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notification and drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.